In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gemini from Google Messages. Gemini is Google's AI assistant that can appear inside Google Messages as its own conversation, just like a regular chat. If you'd rather not see that thread in your inbox, there's a simple way to hide it without affecting any of your personal messages or group chats. This keeps your conversation list focused on the people and threads that matter to you. Here's how it works in context. First, wait until you receive a message from Gemini in Google Messages. You'll recognize it as a dedicated chat labeled for the assistant. When that message arrives, open the conversation so you're looking directly at the Gemini thread, not the general inbox view. Being inside the conversation is important because that's where the option you need will appear. At the top right of the screen, look for the three-dot icon. This is the More Options menu that shows additional actions for the chat you're viewing. Tap that three-dot menu to expand the list of options. In that list, you'll see an item labeled Hide Gemini. Select that option. That's all there is to it. Once you choose Hide Gemini, the Gemini conversation is removed from your conversation list, so it no longer takes up space alongside your regular texts and RCS messages. Your existing personal conversations stay exactly as they are, and your settings for delivery, read receipts, and notifications remain unchanged. You're simply tucking the Gemini chat out of sight to keep your inbox cleaner. A couple of quick notes to keep everything clear. You're not uninstalling the Messages app or turning off any phone features by doing this. You're just hiding a single conversation thread. The three-dot menu lives in the top right corner in most versions of Google Messages, and the wording you're looking for is Hide Gemini. If you don't see it, make sure you're viewing the Gemini conversation itself, not the overall list of chats. To recap in one smooth flow, open the Gemini message when it arrives, tap the three dots in the top right corner of that conversation, and choose Hide Gemini. With that, the assistant's chat disappears from your inbox, leaving you with a distraction-free list of your own messages. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, keep your conversation list organized and enjoy a cleaner Google Messages experience.